Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops, featuring the Dirt Devil Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. First up, cleaning power. The Dirt Devil is praised by users for its effectiveness once heated up, making mopping easy and quick. Reviewers appreciate its powerful steam, especially for sealed hard floors. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop produces steam at a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for obliterating grime. Users love its versatility and effectiveness, especially for cleaning grout and marble floors, leaving them looking rejuvenated. Next up, versatility. The Dirt Devil is perfect for sealed hard floors and features a 180-degree swivel head for easy maneuverability. Reviewers enjoy its simplicity, but wish it had more features. In contrast, the Neugo transforms into a handheld steam cleaner with 10 attachments, making it the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Users rave about its ability to clean various surfaces, including windows and furniture, making cleaning enjoyable. Moving on to steam control. The Dirt Devil offers 3 mode settings, allowing users to choose the perfect steam for their cleaning needs. Reviewers found it effective but noted some issues with the length causing discomfort. Meanwhile, the Neugo features an adjustable steam mode, making it adaptable for delicate floors or tough stains. Users appreciate the customization it offers, making it a favorite. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Dirt Devil heats up in just 30 seconds, making it quick to use. Users enjoy its lightweight design and washable pads, but mention that it could be a bit short for taller individuals. On the other hand, the Neugo features an adjustable height design and a 23 feet ultra-long cord, making it easier to clean larger areas without unplugging. Reviewers love its ease of use, despite some assembly challenges, especially for the water tank and mop part. Overall, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is highly regarded for its effectiveness and ease of use, making it a solid choice for those on a budget. The Neugo Steam Mop, while pricier, is praised for its versatility, powerful steam, and range of attachments, appealing to those who want a multifunctional cleaning tool. So who's the winner of this steam mop showdown? If you want a solid, budget-friendly option, the Dirt Devil is your trusty sidekick. But if you're ready to invest in a versatile cleaning powerhouse, the Neugo is worth every penny. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.